Hello my friends, welcome to Soumiz World, and today this is a breakfast time for me and I thought why not make a banana strawberry shake or a smoothie. So here comes my version of the banana strawberry shake. So here I am using one banana cut into pieces, around 5 to 6 strawberries, fresh strawberries, 4 to 5 ice cubes, and 1 cup of milk, then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a tablespoon of honey. So let's get started. So I'm pouring in the fresh bananas and the strawberry which I've already cut, then around 4 to 5 cubes of ice. I'm making this for two servings, and now I'm using here 1 cup of milk, half a tablespoon of honey. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let me pour in this honey more. It's there. Okay, so now it's time to blend it. So friends, this quick, easy and fast, healthy breakfast smoothie or the shake, the banana strawberry, is ready. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications. Bye-bye.